so cute, Mango. You really love your treats, don't you? Here, have another one. Oh, are you full? You want to give those to Cherry, Mango? Save them for Cherry? Oh yeah, you nodded, didn't you? Okay, so let's give them to Cherry. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.